What if you could describe a web app in plain English and watch an AI build it right inside your code editor? That is exactly what Claude Code does, and in the next few minutes, I will show you how to install it and build your first project. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding tool. It lives right inside VS Code, reads your entire codebase, and writes code for you. It is not a chatbot. It is an agentic system that can read files, write code, run commands, and even create Git commits. Think of it as a senior engineer that understands your entire project and never gets tired. It works with any language, any framework. Python, JavaScript, Rust, React, whatever you throw at it. Setting up Claude Code is dead simple. All you need is VS Code. If you do not already have it, grab Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. Open it up, go to Extensions, search for Claude Code, and install the official Anthropic extension. Log in with your Claude subscription or provide an API key. Then add the front-end design plugin. We have linked it below. Claude will ask you to approve each step. Just accept the first few, you will get the idea. We will speed through the rest. Once it is done, this plugin lets Claude Code preview your UI live as it builds. Game changer. Let us build something real, a full web app from one sentence. I am going to ask Claude to build a coffee shop landing page with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and real stock photos from Unsplash. Watch what happens. Claude scaffolds the project, installs dependencies, and starts building components. The front-end design plugin renders it live as Claude builds. Stock photos, styled components, responsive layout, all appearing in real time. A full Next.js coffee shop site. Hero, menu with prices, about section, contact form, built from one sentence. Claude Code is not replacing developers. It is making them 10 times faster. Whether you are prototyping, debugging, or building from scratch, this tool changes how you write code. Try it yourself. Link in the description.